5 weight loss hacks that everyone should know. Losing weight can often be challenging for many people out there, especially if you're having a hard time keeping up with the lifestyle needed for this. Many make decisions and take actions detrimental to their health to lose weight. However, you don't have to overcomplicate things to achieve weight loss. We have put together some simple hacks that you may find helpful in your weight loss goals while maintaining your health and happiness. But before we delve in, let us first look at what it entails to lose weight. How weight loss works. A negative energy balance, or burning more calories than you take in, leads to weight loss. Food intake, physical activity, and metabolic rate influence this energy balance. Food intake determines the amount of calories your body receives. At the same time, physical exercise dictates the amount of calories expended through movement and activities, and metabolic rate says the amount of calories your body burns at rest. Less food intake or increased physical activity creates a calorie deficit in your body. As a result, your body uses the energy it has stored in muscle, fat, and glycogen to power your cells and organs. However, your body adjusts to the fewer calories you consume by slowing your metabolism and changing the hormone levels, controlling your hunger and energy expenditure. For instance, your metabolic rate decreases because you have less body mass to maintain, and your body also tries to conserve energy and prevent further weight loss. Also, there is a change in the level of hormones responsible for regulating your appetite and energy expenditure. These modifications may make it more challenging to shed or keep pounds off in the long run. Therefore, to lose weight in a healthy and long-lasting way, you should eat a balanced diet that satisfies your nutritional needs and exercise frequently to raise your metabolism and build muscle. Also, track your results and adjust your goals to ensure you're on track. Simple weight loss hacks. Here are 5 simple hacks to achieve weight loss and still maintain your health and happiness. Drink espresso or black coffee. A quick and easy weight loss tip is to drink espresso or black coffee without sugar or milk. Coffee consumption benefits weight loss for many reasons, including boosting satiety and promoting fat oxidation. Coffee consumption has also been connected to keeping weight off. Consume more fiber. Because fiber is a carbohydrate that the body does not completely digest, it gives your food more volume without adding many calories. Additionally, fiber makes you feel fuller for longer, curbs your appetite, and decreases cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds are some of the most significant sources of fiber. Utilize smaller bowls and plates. Your brain can be made to believe that you are eating more than you are by using smaller plates and bowls, which can assist you in consuming fewer calories and smaller portions. Regardless of how hungry people are, studies have shown that when using smaller dishes, people prefer to eat less. Slowly chew your food. By allowing your brain enough time to recognize that you are full and by enhancing digestion, chewing your food slowly can aid in weight loss. Additionally, chewing increases the flow of gastric and salivary juices, aiding digestion and nutritional absorption. Put down your fork between bites and try to chew every bite for at least 20 seconds. Drink apple cider vinegar. There are various health advantages to apple cider vinegar, including weight loss. Apple cider vinegar can lower insulin and blood sugar levels, speed up fat burning, reduce hunger, and enhance metabolism. Drink 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water before meals to help you lose weight. These are a few weight loss tips you might wish to try, but remember that these tricks are not miracle cures. They function best with a healthy diet and consistent exercise. Being patient and persistent are vital components of the weight loss process. A doctor should always be consulted before beginning any weight loss program or using any natural remedy. following are references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.